kids' songs.
Let's learn body parts. What is this? This is called arm. Say it again. Arm. What are these? These are called arms. Say it again. Arms. What is this? This is called body. Say it again. Body. What is this? This is called ear. Say it again. Ear. What are these? These are called ears. Say it again. Ears. What is this? This is called elbow. Say it again. Elbow. What are these? These are called elbows. Say it again. Elbows. What is this? This is called eye. Say it again. Eye. What is this? This is called eyebrow. Say it again. Eyebrow. What are these? These are called eyebrows. Say it again. Eyebrows. What is this? This is called eyelash. Say it again. Eyelash. What are these? These are called eyelashes. Say it again. Eyelashes. What are these? These are called eyes. Say it again. Eyes. What is this? This is called face. Say it again. Face. What are these? These are called feet. Say it again. Feet. What is this? This is called finger. Say it again. Finger. What are these? These are called fingers. Say it again. Fingers. What is this? This is called foot. Say it again. Foot. What is this? This is called hair. Say it again. Hair. What is this? This is called hand. Say it again. Hand. What are these? These are called hands. Say it again. Hands. What is this? This is called head. Say it again. Head. What is this? This is called knee. Say it again. Knee. What are these? These are called knees. Say it again. Knees. What is this? This is called leg. Say it again. Leg. What are these? These are called legs. Say it again. Legs. What is this? This is called lip. Say it again. Lip. What is this? This is called mouth. Say it again. Mouth. What is this? This is called neck. Say it again. Neck. What is this? This is called nose. Say it again, nose. What is this? This is called shoulder. Say it again, shoulder. What are these? These are called shoulders. Say it again, shoulders. What are these? These are called teeth. Say it again, teeth. What is this? This is called thumb. Say it again, thumb. What are these? These are called toes. Say it again, toes. What is this? This is called tongue. Say it again, tongue.